As you know, there is a bedroom producers blog that posts about plugins and musical whatever. This weblog has its own plugins, like this one, Dirty LA. As the name suggests, it's supposed to be an optical simulation. Both limiter and compressor mode are accessible here, and there is a dirt mode that's different, that's something new. Let's check in this vocal.
Yeah, keep me in your line of sight. Squeeze. Yeah, keep me in your line of sight. Squeeze me, go on, hold me tight. Closer till you're kissable. Got you in my heart's peripheral.
It does the leveling really good. Keeps the vocal in a almost fixed level gain, and you can hear vocal and vocals details really good.
Yeah, keep me in your line of sight. Squeeze me, go on, hold me tight. Closer till you're kissable. Got you in my heart.
This part is important to be compressed much better. Pay attention here.
You're kissable. Got you in my.
Get. It's stronger than the previous one.
You're kissable. Got. You're kissable. Got you in my heart.
Did you hear that? The transition was very, very smooth from this part to this part that was stronger and louder. I like that. It's working really good. But what about the dirt mode? Let's check that too.
You're kissable. Got you in my heart's peripheral.
First of all, the dirt mode or dirt amount that I'm increasing here is pre-compressor, so it makes compressor engage more.
You're kissable. Got you in my heart's peripheral. You're kissable. Got you in my heart. You're kissable. Got you. Never good inch. Come on, connect. Yeah, keep me in your line of sight. Yeah, keep me in your line of sight. Squeeze me, go on, hold me tight. Closer till you're kissable.
If there was an option to make this dirt mode or dirt module or whatever it is, post compression and have more control over its gain, it would be much better.
Yeah, keep me in your line. Yeah, keep me in your line. Yeah, keep me in your line of sight. Squeeze me, go on.
I expected this dirt mode to be something more saturated or something like overdrive when I boost and pass 50%, but it's not saturating or overdriving, or maybe it's not working on vocal. I don't know, maybe on drums it would work differently, but I'm not hearing some distortion or overdrive effect or something like this. It's just a little bit punchier and stronger. It may work like this, but it is all I hear.
Yeah, keep me in your line of sight. Squeeze me, go on, hold me tight. Closer till you're kissable. Got you in my heart's peripheral.
It's great. I'm not saying that it's a bad thing, but it's really clean for a mode named Dirt. I don't know. Maybe if I make a plugin, I would do the same. This plugin is really good. Not for a LA-2A simulation, just for a optical compressor that you might like to test. It's free and it's capable. It's really capable, but not as a LA-2A compressor, because it's me personally, I don't like simulations be a different thing. I like simulations to be exactly what they say. At least when I compare the plugin with the hardware I hear some common audio quality in their work or manipulating audio. Of course, it's just me. You may don't care about these stuff, but I'm just saying. And now that I'm criticizing this plugin, let me say this too. This plugin is the cleaner and the most musical simulation, free simulation I've ever heard. There was another LA-2A or LA or optical simulation that long ago I've tested. It was working so dull and it had a dark sound. I don't know why they make this kind of plugins. But this one is really clean and the clarity is what we need. It does some signal amp too, so you could use it for enhancing audio qualities, bringing up details, but it might not work as much as you would expect from an LA-2A simulation, like Y2A or whatever Teletronics LA-2A simulations are out there, or Summit Audio simulations, an optical compressor.
Yeah, keep me in your line of sight. Squeeze me, go on, hold me tight. Closer till you're kissable. Got you in my.
It has a silky top end too. I like this boosting and enhancing higher frequencies. That silky high end is really lovely. It is so lovely, but it boosts some of the harshness too and doesn't control it, doesn't soften it. So it might be bad for some cases and good for other cases. It's good, by the way. Nice job, Bedroom Producers Black. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more.